Hello, grade 3. We are here today to do a soil discovery science experiment, something fun to explore on your last week of grade 3. So here we go. We're going to explore what effect does erosion have on the formation of soil. Here's what you need. A jar with a lid. You could even use an old water bottle, really. A spoon to put the soil in. You'll need some soil. A pitcher of water, or you could just use tap water. Paper towels or newspaper, something to spread out so you don't make a mess. A magnifying glass, if you wanted to, or just use your eyes. That's what I used. Get ready to explore. That's you shaking it up. All right, here are the steps. So here's how you will conduct the soil discovery science project. Step 1, get your empty jar, fill it halfway with dirt. Add water nearly to the top. That's what I did here. Put the lid on. Tighten it securely. Give it a good tighten. Maybe ask an adult to help you if you'd like. Shake the jar vigorously for half a minute and then set it down. Don't disturb it. Let the jar stand until the dirt and the water settle. And you're probably saying, it's not dirt. Well, that's what you will discover. What is it? It will settle into layers. This may take up to an hour. So be patient, grade 3. Sketch your findings and note down your observations in your inquiry journal. What do you see? What do you think? What do you wonder? Post your findings on Flipgrid. There are some optional steps if you want to. You can examine the different layers and what they're made of. This could be a bit messy. This is where you might use the spoon and the paper towel. You can pour off the water, scoop out the grains on each level, and explore them. This is where your magnifying glass might come in handy. There are the full instructions as well on a PDF that you can print off. Regardless, just look at this slide here. You can pause the video and take a look. That's it. Have fun, and we'll see you on Flipgrid. Bye, my friends. Have fun.